Today is Sunday, and so today I was figuring I would put a corned beef brisket on the smoker. So I've decided today to use the smaller Kamado, only because later on this afternoon I want to go ahead and spatchcock a chicken, which will definitely take up more room. The brisket that I have here is smaller than a normal cut, so it's going to fit just perfectly on the smaller Kamado Joe Jr. So I've got the smoke going. Temperature's a little bit higher than I want. I want to get down to about 225 to 250, but I can definitely regulate that with the amount of air intake. So it's just as simple. I went ahead and put salt, pepper. The actual brisket came with its own seasoning, the corned beef, so I put that in there as well. And now all we're going to do is I've decided to drop this on fat side down. Now I personally like to do fat side down because it gives it a protection layer against the heat. Everybody out there has their own different opinions about what's the best way to do that, but there we go. Simple as that. We put it on there. We've got applewood and we've got pecan that's smoking in there with the charcoal. And like I said, all I have to do is worry about bringing that temperature down just a little bit and then maintaining. So I'll let you guys see this at the end of the day and how it turned out.